Hey there, future word wizards. Welcome back to our fun-filled learning adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of words. Get ready to uncover the secrets of nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. All right, first up, nouns. Imagine nouns as the superheroes of sentences. They're the cool characters that name people, places, things, or ideas. Let's spot some nouns together. What's something you can see around you? That's right. A table, a farm, or even your doctor. Those are all nouns. Now let's hop, skip, and jump to verbs. Verbs are action-packed words. They show what someone or something does. Whether it's running, jumping, or even sleeping, verbs make sentences come alive. Can you think of a fun action word? That's a verb. Last but not least, let's explore adjectives. Adjectives are like the painters of sentences. They add color and describe nouns. Whether something is big, small, fluffy, or shiny, adjectives make our sentences sparkle. What word describes how something looks, feels, smells, or sounds? That's an adjective. Let's play a game. I will show you some pictures and you will sort them under nouns, verbs, or adjectives. Are you ready? The answers are teacher and school are nouns, sing is a verb, and happy is an adjective. The answers are book is a noun, hop and dance are verbs, and salty is an adjective. The answers are glue bottle is a noun, read is a verb, and 5 and pink are adjectives. Wow! Wasn't that an amazing word adventure? Remember, nouns, verbs, and adjectives are the building blocks of sentences. They work together to create wonderful stories and help us express ourselves. So next time you're writing or speaking, keep an eye out for these fantastic words. The more you know, the more fun words can be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Click the links in the description to get educational resources. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Bye for now.